So Nigel, all these unboxings have been about my shoes. Today is your time to shine.
Oh,
we're gonna unbox your Air Jordan 1 University Blue.
Let's go.
What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel Feed
and Daddy Seed of Dad and Son.
Kicks and Cooking.
Hold on, man. We're gonna get to it. Today we are going to do Nigel's unboxing of his shoes. If you've seen our previous videos, it's been my shoes or my sneaker rotation. Today is his day to shine. We are doing this unboxing of the Air Jordan 1 University Blue. He hasn't seen it in his hands yet. So this is a for real initial reaction. Fresh out the box.
Let me open the thing.
Was that too much?
Yes, let me open it.
All right. Fresh out the box. Let me just talk for a quick second, man, because these were hard to get, right?
Hey, Dad.
They've been released on Sneakers and Foot Locker and Finish Line 10 times. They'd restock it, and every time L. I think I might have like 25 L's on these shoes.
Wow.
But finally came through with one of those draws and got lucky. Took a minute to get because of the shipping and other things going on. But Nigel, the day has come, man. You ready to check them out?
I am very ready.
I'll let you do it. You do it. I'm just
Open
sit back.
my shoebox.
Hey, I want to see him too.
Are you ready? Here it goes. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, tissue paper.
Oh, wait. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Oh, you're ripping the paper, man. Easy.
Wait. Okay, bring back the singing.
All right, man. Let's take them out, take a look at them.
Gosh, gotta be real careful. Don't be too loud because then you'll disrupt the shoe's
Is it a baby?
calmness.
It's a baby. Ooh, look at that
Got that new
iciness.
car smell. That new shoe smell.
Ooh, that's nice.
Look at that.
That is sweet.
That is amazing.
Ooh, they fresh.
Wow.
They are super fresh.
Let me just stare at it for a second.
Go ahead, just check them out.
And then go with the skull. Ready? Whew. Seed Squad. I feel like I just received a child from a stork. It was like the stork delivered this shoe, and I just it's my baby. It's a baby blue colored, so I got a baby here, and I'm just taking care of it like it's my
Baby. And they smell so good, C Squad.
He doesn't have a name. He just has initials. Its initials are UNC.
Oh, that was my next question. Remember, now if y'all go back to, I think it might have been our first video on the channel when we reviewed my sneaker rotation of the Bread 11s.
I remember that.
We talked about UNC Carolina Blue.
Right.
And you had no idea what that was. I didn't have the Bread colorway. I had the white and Carolina Blue.
What's that? The Carolina Blue.
Wow.
I'm not raising him right.
No clue.
Totally no clue, because he hadn't watched college basketball, didn't know University of North Carolina. Now, you know what it is.
Now I know what it is, and I have it too.
Right, you own a piece.
This is amazing.
Look at that.
All right, I think it's time we get into talking about the details of this beautiful shoe that we have here. So you see we have this new buck right here in this blue, right? It's all around. I love it very much. I like how they mix the new buck with this material.
Tumbled leather.
Sorry. I love how they mix the nubuck with the tumbled leather right here. I love that. Don't you love that, Dad?
That is amazing. That's good quality leather too.
It's crazy. I just know what tumbled leather is.
So right here, you see the tumbled leather. You see the way that white leather is so good, high quality.
Tumbled.
So tumbled.
The Air Jordan, the wings. You know what I'm saying?
Wings
Right there
logo.
in the corner. Classic. The bottom, just a slight. Fully, what's it called? I don't know, this blue. It's a different shade of blue than the nubuck, but I actually do like that.
Yeah, I like it because it gives it more like an electric vibe on the bottom slightly.
Right.
Right.
An electric blue, I do like that. The laces, of course, black laces normally. So it has the nubuck, it has the light blue as a primary color, the white as a secondary color, and black as a tertiary color, because black is in the check and the laces.
Color scientist over here.
I remember that from 3rd grade art. But
I don't remember that at all. Tertiary colors.
Tertiary, it's like third.
I get it.
Yeah.
Interesting. And they come with the light blue, university blue laces.
Excuse me.
Sorry, I don't take...
Whose unboxing is this?
Here, man.
Give me my shoes.
Talk to him. Talk to him, Nigel.
Now, if you didn't notice, these also come with the light blue laces. I just off the dome right there.
Preach.
They come with these light blue laces that you can put on. Thank you. That you can put on.
Tell him, Nigel.
Replace the black laces with. It looks fire. I think I would love it. I love it. I love it so much. Let's see what's inside. Nothing. We just got
your stuffing,
the Nike Air. What we have? The Nike Air on here. The nice tongue. Nice. I can squeeze that. It's like a pillow tongue.
Pillow tongue.
We also have more of that tertiary black up here. If you didn't notice, I think that I should try these on.
I think you're right. We need a definite on foot with these.
Let's go.
Give the people what they want. And tell us down in the comments also, did you guys get an L on these or a W? Let us know if you successful copping these.
Yeah, and also let us know, if you even wanted these in the first place. Because if you got a dub and you don't want them, you can just hand them over. Wait, I already have a pair. What am I talking about?
I don't have a pair. Size 11, men's, US. What?
Yeah. I don't know about you have the same shoe as me. Kind of stealing my flow.
I wouldn't wear them that often.
Okay.
Boy, you probably will.
Let me try these on.
All right, so you saw the on foot.
Hey, wait. I was looking very clean in these shoes, wasn't I? That was hard, wasn't it?
Super clean, man. The shoes are fire. They look really good on you, bud.
Thank you.
Good man. He's happy. I love it.
I am excited.
So listen, we're going to get to this food, but before we do that, do us a favor. If you're enjoying this video, like and subscribe because it helps our channel grow.
Thank you.
All right, so today in the kitchen, we are cooking up something we've done kind of before. It's a French toast, but this is a special edition French toast. We're doing something extra special with a special bread and a special ingredient. So today we're doing Captain Crunch French toast. You haven't had this before.
Actually, I think my school had it like for a week and it was pretty good. So I'm hoping, I think we did actually. So I'm hoping this is a lot better because, school food, you know how it is.
All right, well, we'll see. But this bread that we're using is some extra special bread we've heard a ton about. This bread is from a bakery called La Boulangerie. It's like a French bread, and it is all the rage. It's based out of, the bakery's based originally out of San Francisco, but we picked this up at Whole Foods, tried at home. It's basically croissants baked into a loaf of bread. So I mean, I don't know, the croissants, the flakiness. This bread is supposed to be next level. Hopefully with the Captain Crunch French toast, it doesn't overpower it, but I'm excited to try it. How about you?
Me too. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Let's get it started. So we already got some custard made. That's just simple egg, milk, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg. And the next thing we're gonna do is break up some Captain Crunch.
Ooh. Now, before we use this Captain Crunch, let me just get a little bit, actually.
Oh, we gotta use this for the recipe, man. We gotta save it. Save it. A little bit. Tiny pinch. Go ahead.
Thank you. Tiny pinch, okay? So tiny little pinch of Captain Crunch, you know what I'm saying?
I think that's more than a pinch. So what we're gonna do with the Captain Crunch, I will let you do this part, Nigel. We're gonna have to break up some of it, right?
Yeah.
Because we gotta crush it up to go and coat the bread. So we're gonna put a little bit in a Ziploc and leave a little gap for some air. And then you can lightly go to town with a crab mallet. All right, Nigel, you're up. Gently, man, don't kill it.
Oh. Gentle is relative, my friend. Ah! I'll rip the bag. Let me just not.
You did all of that and broke up like 5 Captain Crunch.
I know, I didn't. They're not breaking. Let me just try again.
No. New bag. I'll handle it from here, man. man, let's dip this bread and get your party started.
All right.
The good croissant toast. Check that out. It looks so flaky and good. Look at that. Ooh, you can almost see through it. It's so good and flaky and
delicious.
All right,
eat this. Nope. Gotta dip it. Let's
dip it, flip it, dredge it, place it.
Dip it, flip it.
Yep.
Dredge it.
Yeah.
Then place it.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's it. Drip it, flip it. Hey, dredge it, place it.
One more.
Drip it, flip it.
Flip it.
Dredge it, flip it, place it.
Dredge it.
Drip it, flip it.
Drip it.
Dredge it, place it.
Dredge it.
All right, that's enough.
Oh, those are good. What's big, Dad?
Snacking on the cereal, man. You burning my French toast.
Sorry. I'll stop snacking on the cereal. Yes. Right after, I get a little bit more.
We're about to eat, dude. We're cooking the food to eat, man. All right, man, let's get ready to eat.
Yeah, looks delicious. Ready?
Let's go.
10 out of 10. 100? Woohoo! 3 out of 100.
You good?
This is good.
Hey, that bread.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. It's
The
actually,
flavor of that bread, though.
it's delicious. So thanks for watching, and watch another video right now. We'll see you there. Peace.